What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the lead stages in Salesforce. Here I am in my Salesforce main dashboard, and to access the settings you can go ahead and click here on the settings icon at the top right, then click open advanced setup, and then here you can go scroll down from the menu here on the left and then click on objects and fields and then click on object manager. And here you can, of course, scroll down. However, it's easier to find lead. Search for lead here, and then the result will appear. Of course, as I told you, you can scroll down through the complete list to find lead. And here, open the lead. And here, click on fields and relationship. And then you can scroll down again to search. However, I find it easier to here search for it. However, this is the one we want, lead status, and you can search for it or you can click on it here in the menu. And in here you can edit the statuses, you can set field level security and view field accessibility. And here you can add values if you want to, field information, you can add field dependencies, you can add the values if you want to. So this is where you can add leads, you can edit the lead status or add a new one and edit the lead stages.